Welcome back to HallMar Village. My name's David Palmer. I'm with Senior Housing Partners, the developer of the project. I'm excited to show you around today and show you a lot of the progress since our last construction update. Come along with me on the November construction update. I'm standing at the entrance of our care center. We've come quite a ways in construction since our last video. This will be an entrance behind me, and off to my left is kind of a covered porch area. This is our memory care and assisted living building. We have siding left to put on, but as you can see, a lot of the stonework is complete. Behind me is our main entrance. I'm standing in our atrium area, and off to my right is our bistro. Behind that is our conservatory space. And as you kind of work your way around, we have our reception area, and behind our reception area is some of our administration area. Above me is part of our dining room that overlooks this two-story space. Behind me is one of our outdoor patio spaces. To my right is our outdoor yoga space, which is outside of the pool. And then above is going to be a deck that is accessible from the dining room. I'm standing in another part of our dining room. Through the door behind me is an outdoor deck space. I'm standing in our community room. This is a room that's used for all sorts of different campus events. Behind me is our pool. The pool will be 3 to 5 feet deep, and there will be access to outdoor patio space from the pool area. We're on 4th floor in the building that's furthest along. We're in a 2-bedroom, bath and a half unit that has a sunroom and a deck. It is 1,037 square feet. We're still on 4th floor in the building that's furthest along. We're in a 1,268 square foot Pleasant Creek apartment. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, sunroom unit. Out the back of the building are several of our outdoor amenity areas. We have a gazebo, a fire pit, our dog park, and walking trails.